Brian, you have been our eyes and ears on the ground. Tell me where you are right now and what you're seeing 1 hour into curfew.
Yeah, we're right outside the Palisades. We're down here along the Pacific Ocean, the highway down here, and it's so eerie. It's pitch black out here. Besides the police lights behind me, there's no electricity in the area, so it's totally dark. And the curfew went into effect a couple of hours ago, 6 o'clock local time, so they get everybody off the street. No one's allowed to be out unless you're a first responder or a member of the media. And everybody is just sort of, I think, still in a state of shock over the whole thing. It's gotten more smoky tonight. People are obviously still concerned about the fires, but also people, returning to their homes throughout the day, for the first time. And we've been covering it, but people were actually allowed back into some of these areas for the first time, and just shocked by what they found today, Ashleigh.
Yeah, help me understand that, because I cannot even imagine the range of emotions upon seeing that everything you've ever known and had is just gone.
Yeah, I mean, look, so we're at this checkpoint here. The National Guard is here too, by the way, because of the looters, which you mentioned. And today there were just people lined up begging to get through, and they're not letting the public in yet. It's just not safe enough with the fires, with the, there's power lines down, and there's gas, still the gas is uncapped in many places, and water line breaks. It's terrible up there. So people were begging to get in and wanting medicine all day. We met this one man, his name was Miles, and they let him in. They said, you can go in for 1 minute to get your medicine. They drove him up, and his house, he thought it was going to be okay, and because the front looked okay, a neighbor had sent a picture, but the whole back was gone and burned out, and he came back so distraught. And you see that happen time and time and time again, and it's just terrible.
Do you know if he was able to get any medicine, or was there just nothing salvageable for him?
He was able to get his medicine. There was another man, I probably shouldn't even say this, but whatever. I mean, you're human first. There was another man who needed his heart medicine, and we brought him up. We brought him in our car up because, we can get up as being part of the media. So he was able to go up with his son, get in the house, get medicine, get some clothes. His house was, for the most part, okay, yet all of the houses around his were burned down. He doesn't know why his was the one still standing. But, I think they're honestly still in shock. Like, everyone I've talked to, or not everyone, many of them say they haven't really been able to feel anything yet. Imagine your whole town being gone, your whole neighborhood being gone. I think it just takes time for it to set in.
I'm going to talk about the looters in a moment, because I just can't believe, I literally want to spit every time I have to mention, this new fear that these poor victims who've run for their lives now have to contend with. But before I do that, I want to just make note of the live pictures on the screen, Brian. Yet again, more ridges are going up in flames, and this is the famous Mulholland Drive. I'm not sure if anybody there has gotten you up to speed. It seems to be just happening. Is this, let me just ask if this is Palisades, because I saw Mulholland at the top of the screen at one point. So this is still Palisades, this fire. The Palisades is only 8% contained, and at this point, Brian, 20,000 acres just in the Palisades, with Mulholland Drive sparking up as well. And when I hear that, I yet again get fearful of the people who live in, the most concentrated part of Los Angeles.
Yeah, I mean, Palisades has been raging since the beginning. It's insane that this thing has still not let up and is going so strong when you look at the pictures. I mean, where we are seems to be, for the most part, out of the danger, but then there's other areas that are nervous. People are nervous there. And when you go up, I mean, there's so many firefighters now, Ashleigh, compared to a couple of days ago. They've come in from all over. The airdrops are constant. And even I never covered a real fire like this before. I'm from Florida, the hurricanes and everything, and I never realized it's not just the water drops and the firefighters with the hoses. They go out on foot and they're moving dirt around, and it's a very, very physical job. They leave the fire trucks behind and they go walk these perimeters all along these neighborhoods, and they go all night long. They work so hard. It's unbelievable, the work that they're doing, and they'll work all throughout the night.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven,
unbiased coverage.